And we want the generate button, we want the combo box table, which contains everything inside it. You don't need to select any of these drop downs, and the submit button. They're all recognized. We're done here. Okay, cool. So here's the tricky thing with this one. This is a table. Task value. This is the next row. And within this cell, the value cell, we've got a drop down. So you have to, for example, row, cell, and inside the cell you have to say there's a create an embedded combo control. Okay, that's the magic sauce right there. Now if we drag this across into the test case, up above, that's what we're doing here. Obviously we need to do a click, okay, and then in, I would say, row 1, and then in cell 1, in the task, let's have a quick look again. In the task, we want to pull the task out, and then in the combo box we want to stick something in there. So in the task we have to pull out this string. And to grab that, use an X buffer. X buffer like that. Call it letter 1, I suppose. Take that, and then in the combo box we're going to do that as an input. Yeah, so it's selecting it and it's doing an input onto that. Let's give it a go. Run it. W. Okay, that didn't work. Here's a shortcut, plus the plus symbol on the number pad to open it all the way out. Down arrow, open it all the way out. Now it has found more than one control for the action cell. It did get the letter, which was a W if you remember correctly. Yeah, so that's working. More than one control found for action cell. So let's have a look at cell. Okay, it's in the table. Let's go and jump to that module attribute. Interesting. So change that to #2, and then the combo box, because we just got the first letter, you need to send an asterisk behind that. So let's try it one more time. Cool. That's working fine. Let's kill that. And I think we have to do this for several more actually. Copy. Control-V. I think there's like 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. So expand all of them. Letter, letter. I think it's okay to reuse this. You're repopulating it with the value that you get from here. And then as a grand finale, I do an X in there, see what happens. Run. Click on generate. Yay! That's it! Happy days! Hey! Alright guys, that's your lot for tonight. Wish me luck on the next one.